Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get paid on Upwork, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and then go to your profile, which is at the top left corner, and after that click on the settings, then go to get paid. So you can see your balance, and if you want to get paid, click on the get paid now. For me right now it's unavailable, but if you have some money, then you can get paid right away. Previously you have to set up your payment details, so you have to set up your payment methods, and it may take up to 3 days to activate your payment method. If you haven't done this yet, click on the plus icon and then you can add the payment method. You can add one of these options like direct to local bank, PayPal, direct to local bank, Euro, Pioneer, and so on. So you can select one, and in order to withdraw earnings you have to complete your V8 foreign status certification. If you are a US taxpayer living outside the United States, then you have to complete the V9 form. So in order to do this, you have to go back and you can see the tax information, and here you have to give all the necessary information for getting paid through this app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.